Hey everybody, welcome back. It is Wednesday, October 14th. It is time to work and build. So you can see from our chart right here showing our calendar on both periods 1, 3, 5 and periods 2, 4, 6 on Wednesday, 10/14. It's time to work and build. So your assignment is to continue working with that cargo carrier and to just do a quick journal check-in, and I'll show you how you do that in just a second. So Monday and Tuesday, a couple days before, you had your introduction to the project. You should know what you're doing. Go back in there and double check that if you have questions. Again, you can also email your teacher if you have questions today. So today is Wednesday, 10/14. We're going to go and do the cargo carrier check-in. So you have basically a one-question quiz. Your view is going to look just like this. You're going to start a new attempt, and you're basically going to just write a journal entry. What's going well with your project? What are you struggling with? Is it easy or difficult to stay in your budget? Kind of where's your budget at right now? Have you started building? If you haven't started building, where are you with the process of planning? If you have started building, is it easy or difficult? Explain your thoughts on that. What are your thoughts on the overall project? How are you doing this? And if you can give some advice to other people, what advice would you give? When you do that, make sure you click review, and after you click review, make sure you finish it up. Make sure you do that. So that is it for Wednesday. That is the plan. As always, if you have questions, talk with your teacher.